Why compare incineration and anaerobic digestion? The London Assembly's Environment Committee has clearly supported the superiority of anaerobic digestion for processing organic waste since 2017. They also highlighted the stark differences. Incineration, once installed, can hinder recycling rates and poses significant health risks due to flue emissions. Incineration releases harmful pollutants like carbon dioxide. Unless flue gas purification works as intended at all times, it also emits sulfur dioxide and dioxins, which degrade air quality and pose health risks. It's energy-intensive, costly to maintain, and offers limited resource recovery. Anaerobic digestion, on the other hand, recycles food waste into renewable energy, low-carbon transport fuel, and nutrient-rich biofertilizer. It's more environmentally friendly, economically viable, and supports soil fertility. The process is underutilized but holds great potential for sustainable waste management. Recent developments have further strengthened the case for mandatory separate food waste collections, emphasizing anaerobic digestion over incineration. It is true that the waste industry needs to do far better in recycling plastic and using the latest depackaging technology to avoid the scandal of crushing and milling plastic that makes microplastics. As we move towards greener practices, understanding these disadvantages helps stakeholders make informed decisions for a sustainable future.